Hello, this is our channel. We're getting a new video, an unboxing video. Welcome to come see it and subscribe and give us a big like to our new video. Today we're going to be unboxing Ninja Turtle boxes to see the outline, how they will be, and also cool. So you can check out how they're going to be today. So when you unbox them, you can buy them at the store. The store is Walmart in one of the big aisles. So if you want one, you need to go to Walmart and find it at the aisle. And also, you can be so good to have toys.
Yes, and we got this one a pretty few days ago, and we got all of these ones today. These are the ones that we're going to be unboxing today. These are super cool Building Battle Mutanian toys. You have these little accessories. Then you have these little sticky things, and then you have these accessories which you can put it in.
Mary, can you show us the
snap
mask?
it on.
Wow, can you show us the mask?
Yeah.
That one?
No, this is the Donatello mask from Ninja Turtles.
All right, let's get to the fun
We are
stuff.
so excited for you to join us today on this video. Are you ready to begin?
Let's do it.
So the first one we're going to be opening is the blue one. So
Which is Leonardo.
we're going to be opening Leonardo, and Leonardo is the first box to open.
And
Subscribe in 5 seconds if you want to see us open it.
3, 2, 1. Did you subscribe?
Hit the comment to tell us. So, you want to see us unbox? Well, wait.
Unbox!
Okay, so this is how you unbox it.
Let me go get the scissors.
Okay. Never mind.
Just a silly one. Pull it. You need to pull it. Pull it. That thing comes out. Hold on. You need to push this in. Out. There you go.
I need to pull it out.
There's the mask. Which is fully toot.
Wow. So, these are the steps. We're going to take them out so you can see what you can do with them. This is the sword.
That is cool. Cool.
And the sword can do anything you want with it.
It's a push down sword. Look at it. When it hits stuff, the sword pushes down. It's really creative idea. You should get these toys now. They're super awesome. Go on now.
Next is the sword. And don't forget this one, you can do a lot of stuff with this sword. And these are ninja tools. You use them to go like this to defeat strangers and
Ninja stars.
Yeah, ninja stars. We call them ninja stars.
I think these are ninja stars.
Mask you can put it on your face. And plus, the mask is also good enough to do. You can put it on your face, and you can pretend you can be a ninja turtle.
Oh, man.
Show me how you wear it.
Oh, now. These are not ninja stars. Look, you're supposed to do this. Pop-in accessories, actually.
Let me see. And which Ninja Turtle are you right now?
Leonardo.
Ooh, okay, thank you.
Michelangelo. Actually, a Building Battle Michelangelo toy. should get this one. It has nunchucks in it, so let me unbox it. Here we go. And this is the Michelangelo set. Here's the pair of nunchucks that you could swing around to play with. We also have this axe and all the attachments. And finally here, we're gonna let me pull these out. There we go. 1, 2. And here is the Michelangelo mask. Pretty neat. Now, next we're gonna put it together. Let's put it together. Next we're gonna unbox the Raphael together. Also, fun fact, guys, you can mix these things up and make whichever one you want, basically.
So how about we start unboxing? Shall we? Yeah. Fine. Go, Mom. Serve it.
So still hard to get in, but it's
So you guys ready to see this open?
yeah. This is another Christian accessory.
This is the side of another
These
sword.
are two types. These are two types of those stopper things.
And
And
then
finally,
finally,
the last mask.
the last
One.
thing will be start to play.
And then what is playing with it? Here's the mask.
Here's the mask. Let's let me grab say. Here, I will show you which ones were our favorite toys and favorite one Ninja Turtle stuff to use. Here are my favorites. This one. This one. And
My favorite one is the Michelangelo nunchucks. And actually, my favorite is all of them because you get to do this and stack them all together. It's a really fun toy to use. So I hope you have fun, guys. We will do a role playing video